Good morning, everyone. We are just waking up in San Felipe, Felipe or Felipe, whichever you choose. I told you guys in yesterday's video that Samantha and I rolled up on a spectacular camp spot last night, and I'm about to show you guys. Yes, that's right. That is the ocean. We are on this bluff. There's one other person here. What an amazing way to start the day. The sun is coming up over the mountain right there. There's the van, the mountains, the town of San Felipe is back that way. So today we are going to spend the day exploring the town of San Felipe. We are going to walk around the town, hopefully get some delicious street tacos, go sit on the beach. We are so grateful to be here. We're so happy that you guys are here to join us.
We are leaving our first campsite in San Felipe, and we are headed into the town to go do some exploring. The first place we're headed is the famous boardwalk, where we're going to get some tacos and see the scenery. Apparently, San Felipe is known as the shrimp capital of Baja, so I think that's what's on the menu for us today.
Shrimp tacos. Woo!
It's really quiet out here right now. There's not a ton of people. Maybe it's because we're early. It's before noon, but it's so cool. There's like little restaurants. This is the Rockadile. It's a nightclub. And then right over here, we have the beach. So nice. It's like 80 degrees and sunny today. What a beautiful way to spend our first day on the beach in Mexico. Getting our first shrimp tacos. This is gonna be good. 40 pesos per taco. We had a really nice time checking out San Felipe today. I especially enjoyed our lunch. Now we are back at the same camping area as last night that we found on iOverlander. It's free. We got here nice and early so we could get the best spot in this flat area. We're just gonna have a nice, slow and relaxing afternoon.
I mean, we're literally like overlooking the Sea of Cortez right now. It's pretty unbelievable.
I honestly can't even believe that this is our life right now. Like, do you see Cliff and Hoonah over there going to the water? Like, I'm just overwhelmed with how amazing this is. Like, when Cliff and I met on a dating app, who would have ever thought that swiping right would lead us here? This is just beyond a dream come true. It's beyond my wildest dreams. Like, this is living a dream. Tacos times 2 today. When in Mexico, right?
Well, that wraps up day 20, our third day down in Baja, California. We're loving it so far. It's a dream come true. We're so excited, and this has just been such an amazing trip so far. I hope you guys are having a great night. We appreciate you guys being here so much. Your support really means the world to Samantha and I. We will check back in with you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye.